Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make custard sugar, easy method. Start by measuring sugar and milk powder, warming milk or cream gently, and combining dry ingredients for even texture. Use a fine sieve to remove lumps and cool the mix before storing in an airtight jar. Use 1 teaspoon per cup of milk when making custard for a balanced sweetness and color. Store in a cool, dry place away from moisture. Gather simple pantry ingredients and precise ratios to make reliable custard sugar at home. Combine 3 parts sugar with 1 part milk powder, plus a pinch of salt for balance. If you like color or aroma, add a small amount of vanilla powder or turmeric, but use sparingly. Blend thoroughly and sieve to ensure a fine, even texture that dissolves quickly in warm milk or custard mixtures. Start by weighing sugar and milk powder accurately and add a pinch of salt. Pulse gently in a blender or food processor until the mixture is finely powdered and uniform. Transfer the mix through a fine sieve to catch lumps and achieve a silky texture that dissolves quickly in warm liquids. Let the powder cool fully before sealing in an airtight jar and label the jar for easy kitchen use.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.